Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted WhatsApp messages. First, open the Play Store on your Android device. Search for Delete Pro and tap the Install button. After installation, open Delete Pro and allow all necessary permissions. Now, switch to a second WhatsApp account and send a message, sticker, and image to your main WhatsApp account. Delete the message for everyone from the second WhatsApp account. See my main WhatsApp account not show message. Go back to the Delete Pro app on your phone. It will display the deleted text messages, stickers, and images from your second WhatsApp account. That's it. You've successfully recovered deleted WhatsApp messages using Delete Pro. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching. Follow our social media account and watch our other WhatsApp-related video channel.